Welcome. If you're tired of hearing the notification sound every time someone joins your Discord server and you're using Discord on your browser, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to quickly disable the activity user join sound on Discord Web using the latest update, so you can enjoy a quieter and more focused experience on your PC. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Discord, look down at the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture along with a few icons. Click on the gear icon. This is your user settings. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings menu. On the left side, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find the notifications section and click on it. This is where you can control all the notification settings for your Discord account. Inside the Notifications menu, look for the section labeled Sounds. Here, you'll find a list of different notification sounds that Discord uses for various activities. Find the option called Activity User Join. This is the sound that plays whenever someone joins a voice channel or server. To disable this sound, simply click the toggle next to Activity User Join. When the toggle is off, you won't hear that notification sound anymore. It's that simple. With this quick change, you can keep your Discord sessions peaceful and distraction-free. No more sudden pings when someone joins in. If you ever want to turn the sound back on, just follow these steps again and flip the toggle back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Discord tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.